TNXP stock analysis and TNXP stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Tonix Pharmaceuticals is sitting at 31 cents, and so tricky because, again, context, I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course cement strips, and I've documented all of it. But, and I mean, let's be realistic, this might, like, such a slim chance that this happens. But since it came down inside some demand areas here, I was like, right, if I see a proper double break, I'm taking things up. But I'll actually kind of still stick by it, and 2.0 version of this is going to be if it, like, when it breaks the lows, because I genuinely think it will. But yeah, I'm like, right now I'm in a no man's land where it either breaks the lows and I remove this prediction, or it hits breaks the highs and I long. But yeah, like, you can see how close we are to this. Post market seems like it's up, so I will not delete everything. But 2.0 version of this is wait for the double break inside this demand area, because this is also fine demand zone. So I'm not gonna buy unless the price shows me that it wants to go up. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.